Hello and welcome to our short and to the point YouTube video on how to get rid of bad breath home remedies. Today we'll be sharing some effective and easy to use tips to address this common issue. Remember, you can always take advantage of other YouTube content, but our focus is on providing factual information. 1. Rinse your mouth with water. Sipping water throughout the day can help freshen your breath. Simply hold a bottle of water near your mouth and gently rinse after each meal. 2. Use tea tree oil. This natural oil has antimicrobial properties that can help fight bad breath. Apply a few drops of tea tree oil to a cotton swab and swab your teeth or chew on a tea bag containing tea tree oil. 3. Munch on mint. Eating fresh mint leaves or using gum with mint oil can provide a quick and effective solution for bad breath. Mint is also a great addition to your fruit salad or yogurt. 4. Use baking soda and honey. Combine equal parts baking soda and honey in a small bowl. Mouthwash the mixture well and rinse your mouth thoroughly. This simple remedy can help neutralize bad breath odors. 5. Improve your oral hygiene. Regularly brushing your teeth, flossing, and visiting the dentist for cleanings can help prevent bad breath. Make sure you're using the right amount of toothpaste and brushing twice a day. Remember, if bad breath persists, it's essential to see a healthcare professional. They can identify any underlying issues and provide the appropriate treatment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.